How to add a WhatsApp button on a Facebook post on Android. This tutorial shows you how to link WhatsApp directly to your Facebook content so people can reach you instantly. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Let me show you. From there, scroll down and tap on Pages to open your Facebook pages and switch into it. At this point, tap on the page you want to add the WhatsApp button to. In the next step, tap on the three lines at the top left of your page and tap on three dots on the top right. From there, look for the Action button and tap on Edit Buttons, then toggle on Send WhatsApp Message, then select Connect WhatsApp Account. At this stage, enter your WhatsApp phone number, including the country code, and tap on Send Code. Let me show you. Following this, check your WhatsApp for the verification code sent by Facebook and enter it in the field provided. Once done, tap on Confirm. From there, once linked, go back to your page and tap on Create Post to make a new post. At this stage, look for the Add a Button option at the bottom of the post creator and tap on it. Following this, select Send WhatsApp Message from the button options. This will add a WhatsApp button directly to your post. Once done, finish writing your post and tap on Share. Your post will now appear with a WhatsApp button that allows anyone to contact you directly through WhatsApp with one tap. Here's an important note. The WhatsApp button on Facebook posts is mainly available for Facebook business pages. If you're using a personal profile, this option may not be available, and you may need to convert to a business page first. And that's it. If this guide helped you add a WhatsApp button on your Facebook post, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.